Alright fit people, Coach Remy here. Today's workout we are going to attack the chest and the shoulders. Alright, if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you do enjoy the content on this workout, share with family and friends. So if you want to do a proper warm-up, check the link in the description. There is a good warm-up you can do before this chest workout. Alright, and if you're new on this channel and you haven't started with us with the challenge, you can just follow along where we are on the day we are on. And yeah, so you will need 2 bottles. These are 1 liter each, so that's 1 kg of resistance. You can also use 1.5 or 2 liters. And you will also need a fitness mat. Mine is already on the ground. So let's get right into our workout. We're going to do arm circumduction, big circles. Let's change direction of rotation. Okay. So now we do knee to elbow and then we extend. Knee to elbow, we extend. Okay. So first one, put the bottles next to you, go into the downward facing dog. You start from this position, but wrist below the shoulders and knees below the hip. Then you push up. Now we are going to be taking the bottle and placing it in a diagonal, on the diagonal, and then taking it back. So the further you place the bottle, the harder it gets. Alright. So now we are going into modified push-ups. We do as much reps without compromising the form. If you're able to do the push-up, do the full push-up. Let's go. So you touch down, then you extend the elbow. Palms are shoulder width apart. So now we're going to turn. We're going to shoulder, chest press. Okay, once the elbow touches the ground, you push back up. And make sure you're not hurting your elbows. Alright, so we're going again to modified push-ups. So now we do the push-up. Once we're down, we tap to the front we push up. Remember, if you can do the full push-up, no problem. Beautiful. So now we're going again to downward facing dog, and we will be doing the same exercise. Okay. Uh-oh. So now we're going to kneeling overhead shoulder press. So like this, and we just press up. Okay, so now we are standing, we bend forward, and each time we do right over left, and then the next time we do left over right. So we do rear delts. Notice my hands are as straight as they can. Now we are standing up. Now we're going to do lateral raise. We abduct, we lower, and then we raise. Okay, let's go. So, loosen up the shoulders. We're going again to the modified push-ups. This time is modified push-up with shoulder tap. So it's like this. You come up, you tap the shoulder. Then you turn around. It will be easy for you to see. So, beautiful. So now we're going to chest flies. Lie supine on the ground. Take your bottles. Let your hands fall until the knuckle touch the ground, and then you go back up. Inhale when you bring the bottles down, and exhale at the top. Okay. So now we still have 2 exercises. Let's stand up. So now one hand is here. We do like this, and then once it's down, we change. So now you form 90 degrees in both of the hands. We will do like this. When we close, we do like this. We go down, we open, we close. Okay, let's go. Beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you for being here with me. And I hope you enjoyed the workout. And so today we are on day 25. It was shoulder and chest, done and sealed. So see you on day 26. And if you know people who might enjoy this workout, share with them. Sharing is caring, and if you share with them, you might motivate them or inspire them to get fit and stay fit. All right, see you on day 26.